It's a 2016 Kia Optima. Driving becomes more than just getting from point A to point B in this Optima. It was designed with passion, crafted to thrill, and honed to elegant efficiency. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Cars.com finds with its crease sheet metal and low slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, dependable today and way down the road. Take it for a test drive today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.